Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp, right? It's a very easy thing to do. You have to just go to your WhatsApp. On the top right you will see the three dots. Click on it, go to settings of your WhatsApp here. Now here once you are into the settings, go to the chat section. But earlier there was an option to remove, Meta AI. There was an option toggle where you can just remove it. But currently in the latest feature it's not. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to click on chat backup, then just click on backup. So backup your all the information regarding videos, images, chats and everything. Once it backup, what you have to do, you have to just go to any of the website here, and here you have to download, for example, WhatsApp APK. So what I'm trying to say, you have to download an older version of APK, right? So if you have an older version of WhatsApp, you will not able to find Meta AI, and there you can just back up your chat, just put your all our chats there, and you can use that normal WhatsApp. But in the current latest version of WhatsApp, it is by default Meta AI, so you can't remove it. But if you want to remove it, this is a only option where you can just remove your Meta AI in the older version of WhatsApp. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.